Hi guys! Ngayon, nandito tayo sa Marawi City together with Peace Club in our school and with World Vision to explore kung ano nga ba ang ginagawa dito ng mga Peace Club dito sa school namin. Why don't you come and join us? Ang Peace Club po o ang mga ginagawa ng Peace Club namin dito sa school ay mag-advokasya o ipalaganap ang kapayapaan sa mga ibang estudyante. Ituro sa kanila kung ano yung natutunan namin sa Peace Club at sa World Vision.
I feel happy because I am spreading peace. Dati, madaming vandalism at saka riots, pero nung nandito na yung Peace Club, na-lesson. Kasi pag nandyan kami, hindi sinasabihan namin sila, wag niyong gawin yan kasi ganito, sama yan.
To be honest, I am very thankful because of all the experiences I did, and because of it, realized that conflict has a lot of impact in the society.
I'm always bullied when I was still an elementary student. When Peace Club was introduced in our school, I was mostly determined to do better, to show them that I am born to be to what I am. Pinapakita ko sa kanilang hindi ako kayang maliitin ng isang tao. Doon, malaking impact ang binigay sa akin ng Peace Club.
For me, it's very important the partnership between our school Peace Club and the World Vision because it gives us the opportunity to find the real definition of peace. It's giving influence and inspire you students to bring out the best in them and to achieve the common goal, and that is the peaceful community.
If you want peace, let it start with yourself. Practice kindness, tapos pahabain mo yung patience.
Thank you for supporting our Peace Club here in Marawi City.